Hi, in this video I'd like to discuss about installing Java JDK on your Mac computer. Here I'm running the latest version of macOS 10, version number 10.10.2, also called Yosemite. First, let's check if Java JDK is already installed in our computer. Java is used by many applications, so there's a chance that you already have Java installed on your system. I'll start by opening a new terminal window, and in order to check for the Java presence in my system, I will issue the java -version command. In my case, the message returned is telling me that Java is not present in my system, and a dialog is displayed giving me more information about Java JDK installation. In case you receive a response with a Java version number, make sure that this number is at least 7. If Java JDK is present in your system and the version number is at least 7, you are ready for Android Studio installation and you can skip to the next video. Otherwise, if you see this dialog window being displayed, click on More Info in order to obtain more details about how to install Java JDK. A new browser window will open, pointing to the Oracle's page containing the Java JDK installation. In case Java is not available in your system and no dialog is displayed containing more info about this, just open a web browser and perform a search for Java JDK installation for Mac on Google. Next we select JDK and click on the download button. As we can see, a single version is available for macOS 10, a 64-bit one. The version available is Java version 8 update 40, the latest version at this time. In order to be able to install Android Studio on your system, you will need at least Java JDK version 7. By installing the Java JDK version 8, you are satisfying this requirement. Accept the license agreement and click on the download link in order to download the Java JDK installer. As soon as the download has completed, click on the downloaded file as this will contain the Java installation package. Next we double-click on the installer file and follow the installation wizard in order to complete the Java JDK installation. During the installation you might be asked about your username and password for your system. And now, if we go back to our terminal window and issue again the java -version command, we can see that Java version 1.8.0_40 is available. That stands for Java version 8 update 40, the version that we just installed. One last thing to check before going further is the presence of the Java compiler in our system. We will need a compiler in order to be able to compile our Android source code files. We can check that by issuing the Java followed by the letter C, which stands for compiler, then space again version. And we can see that Java compiler version 8 update 40 is also available. And now that the Java JDK is available in our system, we can go further and install the Android Studio IDE. Thanks for watching and see you soon.